Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how simply you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Realme 11 Pro. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer and next you have to move to the contacts. Right now let's pick the first one, for example. Then you have to click on these three dots in the right upper corner and then just click to set the ringtone. Accept the permissions. And as you can see, first option, we got the custom ringtone. So when you click right here, you will be moved to the storage of your phone while you can pick the music or recordings. So if you want to get the Realme default song, go right here. And there we got the custom ringtone. If you want to set the default ringtone, just pick one of the list. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.